like to inform the general public that Uganda has confirmed her first case of coronavirus disease, COVID-19. The confirmed case is a 36-year-old Ugandan male who arrived from Dubai.
Ekiro kyawushesherizoba Minisita w'ebimagara Dr.Ruth Aceng yahamya okwihanga Uganda lyatunga omuntu w'okubanza oine akakoko ka coronavirus. Bwanyuma y'okurangira oburwaire bwa COVID-19 omwihanga Uganda erizoba hariho ebintu biragera ebimukuru w'ihanga yashohoza.
Don't go to Yantonde, don't go to Masaka. You just stay in your father's home, your parents' home. Where there's less crowding, these are people who know one another, they are strangers, they are no strangers, you are safe there.
Okutaha nokushohora ihanga Uganda mukuru w'ihanga yayongera yakugambaho.
No more passengers coming into Uganda or going out, either by land or by air or by water.
Ebyo kuramukanya President Yoweri Museveni yashabanya Uganda okonja kubyehara.
I don't want that nonsense. For what? I have seen you, I have greeted you, finish. What else do you want from me? That you want my elbow to box you? Mambo ya kijinga tu.
Abebyenjenda yabashaba kwegendesereza kandi yashabanya Uganda na mnonga yima batine biruka okuguma mu kazanyo.
The only remaining danger is public transport. That is the only remaining danger.
President Yoweri Museveni nagirango okuranisa coronavirus bine kushikora omurengo gukurwana olutaro kandi buri muntu wena ayine kuchejumba.
I don't even know if we really do the way I think we can defeat it.
Asha 12 zo mwabazyo gwerizoba okwetorora ensi yona kujabe handiko ebyashobora abantu barukurenga omitwaro ashitnagumwe kanane 15 nibo babatungire akakoko ka coronavirus abarukurenga omutwaro gumwe 13 kaganshanjo nibo bafire kandi abakizire bana barenga kenda rokaga 11.
Want to appeal to the population to seriously practice the measures that His Excellency has clearly elaborated again and again. Because of our case, now we have agreed that we are going to do everybody who comes this time, whether you are coming from a country that has 5 cases or 10, 100 or 500, everybody is going to be subjected to institutional quarantine. Because this one, it has shown that even this particular person came from Dubai and most likely got the infection from Dubai.
Inamba ezi nizigumana sinduka kandi amahanga nka Italy, China, Spain, Iran nugo gaferirwe abantu benshi. Ekiro kyabushesherizoba ihanga lya Uganda lyayigita amahanga gabiraguje abine akakoko ka coronavirus obotebirwe Rwanda, Kenya, Tanzania na South Africa.
For some of you who have extra, if you want to amass some credit in heaven, be ready to be helpful to parents struggling to feed their children.
Aba TV West ni Senyomo Gideon.